Welcome to my mathematics class. 6th class mathematics, semester 2, data handling. This is the second video in this chapter. We will see an example. See, Ekta is asked to collect data for size of shoes of students in her class 6. Her findings are recorded in the manner shown below. The sizes of the different students are as shown. This was collected by Ekta. That is 5, 4, 7, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7, etc. But Javed wanted to know the size of shoes worn by the maximum number of students. Javed wanted to know the size of the students worn by maximum number of students. Can you find this information? For this, Ekta prepared a table using tally marks. That is like this. We will draw a table here. Size of the shoes, size of the shoes, number of students worn, number of students, wore that size. The size starts from 4, therefore size 4, size 5, 6, 7, 8, last size is 8. So number of students wearing 4, we have to count it. So 4, 1 4 is here, mark it here. Next another 4 is here, second one, and another 4, third one, another 4 here, 4. Another 4 is here, 5. So 5 students are wearing this size 4 shoes. Next size 5, 1, 5, 2, 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Fifth one we will cross it. In the above also, the fifth number we will cross the, we will bundle like. Next 5 here, another one, here another one, here another 5. That's all. Next 6, for 6, 1, 6th 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, next 5th student, we will cross it, the 5th number we will cross the 4 numbers. Next 1, another 6, 1, another 6, another 6, another 6. After 4 we have to mark it cross. That's all. Next 7th, this is 6, 5, 4. Next number 7 shoes were by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cross it, 6, 7, that's all. Next highest size 8, here is 1, 1, next here another 2. Therefore, in the size 4, there are 5 students are wearing size 4 shoes. And this is 5 plus 3, 8. 8 students are wearing size 5. And this is 5 plus 5, 10. 10 students are wearing size 6. And this is 5 plus 2, 7. 7 students are wearing size 7. And this is 2. 2 students are wearing the size 8. Therefore, we want the number of students wearing the size. First question is the size of shoes worn by the maximum number of students. Here the maximum number is 10. So this size 6 is worn by maximum number of students. Size 6 is worn by 10 people, that is the maximum number. So maximum number of students were wearing size 6. Second question, the size of shoes worn by minimum number of students. Here 2 is minimum. So the size 8, the size of the shoes 8 is worn by minimum number of students. So thus we can get the number of students wearing the different sizes. So this is these marks are called the tally marks. Tally marks. So if we note the information, tabulate the information like this, we can easily tell which size, how many are using. They are wearing size 4, 8 students are wearing size 5, 10 students are wearing size 6. This is the maximum number. So maximum number of students are wearing size 6 and the minimum number 2 are using size 8. Thus we have to tabulate the information like this. This is called the raw information and this is tabulated information using tally marks. Coming to the next problem, next example. The cupboard has 5 compartments. In each compartment, a row of books is arranged. The details are indicated in the table. First row, there were 4 books. In the second row, there were 5 books. Each figure of the book represents 1 book. So this one figure represents 1 book. So row 3, 2 books. In row 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 books. In row 5, there are 3 books. This figure is called pictogram. Pictogram. Because these pictures of the books are used. Therefore, when pictures are used, it is called pictogram. If that marks like this are used, that is called tally marks. These are called tally marks. These are called figures. Therefore, this is pictogram. Here the questions are, which row has the greatest number of books? Which row has the greatest number of books? So we can write the number of books here. In first row 4, second row 5, third row 2. In fourth row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 books were there. In fifth row there were 3 books. So in which row the greatest number of books were there? In row 4 there were 8 books. It is the greatest number. So next question. Is there any row which doesn't have books? Is there any row which doesn't have books? From row 1 to row 5 there isn't any row without books. Doesn't have any books. So you can answer these books by just studying the diagram. The pictogram visually helps you to understand the data. This table visually make you understand the data. So we can answer the questions by just watching the picture at a time. So a pictogram represents the data through pictures of objects. It helps answer the questions on the data at a glance. So the pictogram or the pictograph helps